Hello everybody. Here is the sketch for a Polish girl. And how do I select the specific area to paint? First, I use hard round brush. Then I select the path and the area inside it. Tada, now I have the specified area to paint and add shade and light.
Co z oczu, to z serca.
Oh, this is a Polish proverb, which means out of sight, out of mind. So if you love something like sweets, and eating too much sugar will affect your health, you should not buy it. This is hard. Or you should not pass the candy aisle at the supermarket. But what about something you can't avoid? Like there's only one professor for a mandatory course who is terrible. Here you should take him out of your mind and focus your efforts on your course. A grade is not important, but success in your course surely is. Here's the final painting. If you liked it, you can get a print of it at my online shop. Link for prints is in my bio. Happy shopping. Bye.